Hi friends, good afternoon. Now the time has come. Before we can go ahead with the complete designing or creating the report, there has to be something what I call it as report planning. Now you need to understand that this is part of it. You can write down in one of your notebooks or notepads present on your computer systems, and you can proceed further. For example, you can pick up the questions like who are the individuals placing the requisitions for the reports? Who has requested you? What is the main reason behind it? There has to be some reason, right, for why you're preparing that particular report. What kind of information is required by the readers or the requisitors? Requisitors are those who have requested you to prepare. So what kind of information are you going to take care for them? Now, what are different ways to use the report? How am I going to use it in different manner? Who is my target audience to read my report? What will be the contents of the report? This is something that you need to chart out properly. Okay, now is it official or unofficial one? This is very important for us to note it. If it is official, then I have to mention here the copyrights, intellectual property rights are attached to it, and we will see in my playlist on copyrights. If it is an unofficial one, however, it is a professional one, what kind of rights you have got over your own report is also something that I need to take care of it. Now, is it knowledge based or research based report? Now, that is also one of the questions that we need to ask you. Now, while I was studying, I should say, for this particular topic, I had come across some more important and fascinating questions. For example, this one, is it official or unofficial? One. Now, if you're writing for an academic writing, obviously it has to be a professional one, number one. Number two, it is an official one. Now, when we say official, it means that who is the owner of that particular report? Is it going to be owned by the university or the institute or the college or the company organization? Who is going to stamp on it that yes, it is ours? Now, this was again the colleges where I was working, and the management was running two colleges and two schools in Noida and Greater Noida, and wherein I observed that they came up and being a communication teacher, they said that Ramani, because this was the audit that was taking place through Guru Gobind Singh IP University, and in one of the audit reports, they because we showcased to them majority of our flyers, brochures, pamphlets that we had produced, and some kind of a reports which were generated by different departments, especially law, architecture, then five departments of engineering, MBA and BBA students. Now, at that time, the vice chairman, sir, who was there, he acknowledged and said that Ramani, I was apprised by the audit team that we need to go ahead with the copyrights for these things also. Just find out how am I supposed to go ahead with that. And that's how my journey began with copyrights as well as the intellectual property rights. And later on, when that respective audit team was present, and I could see that I remember it very well that Professor and Dr. BVR Reddy sir was there, then Vani sir was present, and from the management department there were others who were present, and they said that I hope you do understand that you are possessing so much of intellectual property right out here. Why don't you go ahead and get some ISSN and ISBN numbers? Now, that was another journey which I had to take care and find out. Just for a flyer, I need this thing, and they said yes, you should. And that's how my vice chairman and chairperson ma'am, who were very good, and I can never forget them in my life, reason that for my career development in some way or the other manner, they made me they groomed me, self-groomed me by asking the questions to me. I did not ask them, it was they who asked me, can you let us know? And through a simple question, can you let us know, really made me work around and tried to understand, and that's how I reached to Indian Institute of International Law, where Nachiyappan sir, who was the chairman, I should say chairman and the president of that institute, helped me to understand certain things. And later on, when I got introduced to GVG Krishnamurthy sir, that was another different, altogether different story, and I was able to understand the importance of certain things that you need to take care while you are in the creative process. So given you these kind of hints that yes, what is required for a report beforehand, and I have not jotted down out here, however you need to claim all those things also side by side. So let me come up with yet another part wherein I'll be discussing more about the reports. Till then, thank you and take care. Bye.